We are happy to open the first APP store in Hyderabad. Yeah, we are the largest partner with 70 stores across the country. And this new format, this is the first store. And we are happy to open this store where the visibility is very high. And we are a big company of Premium Lifestyle is a company. Aptronics is a brand of Premium Lifestyle. And we are associated with Dyson and many other apparel brands. We are a 12,000 crore company and expanding more and more.
Sir, why you choose Inorbit Mall?
Inorbit Mall is a very good mall. It's a very prominent mall in Hyderabad. Very prominent mall.
Any expansion plans all over Hyderabad and Telangana?
We have a lot of plans. We are planning to take the store count to 100 stores of Apple alone. Our overall Premium Lifestyle portfolio is 250 stores.
Are you in the online market or only stores?
Online market.
Stores. Online also is there, but majorly into Apple, it's all retail stores.
So
Yeah.
you go with the e-commerce website?
E-commerce bhi hai. Yes, but online stores, we have very good stores. We have in Inorbit, Sharath and across Hyderabad.
ప్రీమియం లైఫ్ స్టైల్ ఇంకేమైనా కొత్తగా తీసుకొస్తారు సార్ అంటే యాపిల్ కాకుండా ఆల్రెడీ అప్రానిక్స్ తీసుకొచ్చారు కదా సో
प्रीमियम लाइफस्टाइल में सब ब्रांड बहुत है.
Sir,
प्रीमियम लाइफस्टाइल में सब ब्रांड्स बहुत है. Like Dyson is there, OnePlus is there, and lot of apparel brands, Shantanu Nikhil, Tasva, Jaipur, Louis Philippe, US Polo, and lot of brands. We are opening Onitsuka Tiger. We have 2 stores in Hyderabad. We are opening one in Kolkata next month. So lot of expansion is there. We are entering into jewelry segment.
Are you all associated with all the brands you have told before?
Yeah, of course. We are already associated. We are a 12,000 crore company, and of course, expansion is all the way. Meghna is managing all the Apple stores, and my son is managing all the other vertical of stores. So it's only expansion.
launching offers.
Launching offers are very good. We are offering 12% discount on all Apple products, which is never there before. That's very value for money for any consumer.
thank you.
ఓన్లీ అప్రానిక్స్ అదర్ ఏమన్నా మళ్ళీ ఏమన్నా ప్లాన్ చేస్తారు
You're planning anything big other than Apple?
Jewelry,
Of course, we are planning to open jewelry store. We are in talks with many brands. So that will open in the next 2-3 months.
సో హైదరాబాద్లో ఏమన్నా ప్లాన్
Yeah. And of course, Dyson is big. Apple is the largest. And happy to expand more and more into good value for money and with strong equity brands.
Jewelry means we are manufacturer or
No. We are not into manufacturing. We are into only trading, retailing. Retailing with good format of retail experience stores.
Ma'am, how are you feeling launching store in Inorbit World?
We're very happy about this because Hyderabad is our home base. We are Hyderabadis since 2 generations, and we started the entire Aptronics journey from Hyderabad. We are the largest Apple partner here. We have about 25 stores in Hyderabad and Telangana. So to be able to bring Apple's latest format to our home base is a very proud feeling. And this is not it. We are going to be opening more such large experience stores. We are Apple's largest partner to open such big stores. This format is called Apple Premium Partner. It's a new format of stores in India that you've not seen before. So we are leading the race in opening these stores across India, and of course opening these in Hyderabad, and of course then eventually in all the tier 2, tier 3 cities that we're present in, like Warangal, Guntur, all these locations. We're very excited.
Are you planning to open any stores in Andhra Pradesh and all?
Yeah, we already have stores in Andhra Pradesh. We're present in Vijayawada, Vizag, Vijayanagaram, Kakinada. We are in Bhimvaram. So we are everything put together present in about 20 cities.
what is your future?
So see, Aptronics as a brand has a lot of future because Apple, as you know, is expanding very aggressively in India. They're manufacturing as well now. So I think Apple has a very bright future in India. And given that India is such a big, large geography, consumers are going to need more and more stores to service their demands. And we are going to be expanding across all locations in the right format that city needs. Like Hyderabad, Mumbai, Bangalore, Vizag, all these locations will get the best formats, the top formats. Other than that, we will be present across all tier 2, tier 3 cities, right from Tirupati to, Coimbatore, every location we would be present in. Aptronics' tagline is called India's local Apple expert. And that's because for every Indian, we want to be the go-to place for all your sales and service needs for Apple products. That includes in-store, online, e-commerce, omni-channel, service, all of that put together.
Are you are you already into service and all?
Yeah, we already, in fact, this store in InOrbit has a service center with it. So you can go to the Apple website, book a service appointment, get your device, and you will have a proper service done, and you get your phone rectified over here.
Okay. Like if we have service centers, like if we buy the phone here, what is the period that they are getting the free service?
So you have warranty period of 1 year that comes with any Apple product, but that doesn't cover accidental damage, liquid damage, or theft. But we have certain insurance plans by Apple that is called Apple Care Plus and a certified product called Protect Plus. If you buy those, they're not very expensive. Then any theft, accidental damage, you get free of cost coverage for unlimited incidents. Like if you break your phone 5 times in a year, you still get it covered. So that is there. And see, other than Aptronics, Premium Lifestyle as a whole is a $1.5 billion company. We're one of the most valuable retail chains across India. It was all started by my dad. Now me and my brother Yashbir Singh, we are leading it. We have about 20 brands in this, right from Aptronics, which is Apple, to Dyson, Onitsuka Tiger. We have a lot of luxury retail like Calvin Klein, Onitsuka Tiger. We are into F&B now with Cafe Delhi Heights. In fact, in InOrbit, just in this mall, we have 8 stores. So we have Shantanu Nikhil, we have Dyson, Cafe Delhi Heights, we have Calvin Klein, we have Mango stores. So we generally believe, I'm somebody who loves shopping as a person. So I know what consumers want, all kinds of consumers. So we are hardcore retailers at heart, and we want to continue to bring the best brands to India and the best of Indian brands to all consumers in tier 1 to tier 4. That is our ambition.
Who is the competitor?
Sorry?
Who is the competitor?
See, there are many partners across India that do franchisee retail, right? Like at all ends, there will be very luxury as well, there will be medium as well. For that matter, even Reliance Chroma have many franchisee stores, etc. So competitors would be many, but in the brands that we work with, there is no competition.